Hello, welcome back to school. I have no clue what you guys have for review. I'm really sorry if it's really bad. The bow on my glasses broke off last week. And I got it fixed, but like taped together, but it was done really bad. So, yeah, it just didn't hold. So, that's why I'm kind of without my glasses right now. Okay, so moving on to the next section in this book. We're dealing with exercise 9 and 10, and we are on page 10 and 11. And we're going to just go through this section. The next one, it looks really wonky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like, I kid you not, like 5 pages of problems. Yeah. So we'll see how that goes. Exercise 9 deals with the number 10. I'm sure number 11 is, or exercise 10 is going to deal with 11 too, or 10, whatever one we're on. Okay, so number 10, and then we have 9 and 1 are 10. 10 less 1 is 9. Unbelievable. But do they not have 1 in 10? 1 in 9? They don't have 1 in 9. Why don't they have 1 in 9? Are they prejudiced against 1 in 9? All these other ones, they have the other operations. They have them flipped, but they don't have it in this one. Why is that? Do they think the student is going to get that 1 in 9 or 10? Or that 2 and 8 are 10? I don't know. Okay, continuing. We'll just do the problems as they're written in the book. I don't know why 1 and 9 are not in here. It's really weird, but yeah. Okay, 1 and 9 are 10. 10 less 1 is 9. 10 less 9 is 1. 10 divided by 9 is 1 and 1/10. 9, 8 and 2 are 10. 10 less 2 is 8. 10 less 8 is 2. 10 divided by 8 is 1 and 2/10, I think. Or is it 2 8s? Now I'm getting these confused because I don't know. Let's see. I think that first one is 10. And that's, yeah, it's gotta be 2 10s. I don't know. We'll deal with mixed numbers when we get to mixed numbers. 7 and 3 are 9. 7 and 3 are 10. 10 less 3 is 7. 10 less 7 is 3. And 10 less 7, oh, that's 10 divided by 7. 10 divided by 7 is 1 and 3/10. 6 and 4 are 10. And 10 less 4 is 6. 10 less 6 is 4. 10 less 6, 10 divided by 6 is 1 and 4. Is that right? 4/10? 1 and 4/10 on this? I don't know. Next section. Down at the bottom of the page. 5 and 5 are 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 less 5 is 5. 5 divided by 10 is 2? No. Can you take 5 and divide it by 10? I don't know. But you could take 10 and divide it into 5, and you get 2. 4 and 4 are, 4 and 4 and 2 are 10. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 less 4 is 5, I think. I don't know. What is 10 less 4? I don't know what 10 less 4 is. But I know that 4 and 4 are 8, and 10 less 8 is 2. I don't know what 10 less 4 is. 10 less 4 is 6. Because 6 and 4 are 10. Did we run across 6 and 4? I don't remember doing... Oh, we did do 6 and 4. About 6 problems ago. Okay, so 10 less 4 is 6, less 4 is 2. 10 less 4... No, that's a division side. 10 divided by 4 is 2, and there's 2 tenths left over. The next one has a bunch of 3's in it. 3 and 3 are 6, and 3 are 9, and 1 is 10. 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 are 10. 10 less 3 is 6, and less 3 is 3, less 3 is not. Wow. It's really, I don't know, what did I do today? But my brain is just wonky. 10 divided by 3 is 3, and 1 tenth is left over. Okay, the next section says copy and complete. This is exercise 10. It's got that cursive script again. They like using this cursive script in this book. Okay, 7 squares and blank squares are 10 squares. 7 squares and 3 squares are 10 squares. I think. I don't know. I think it's 7 squares and 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. I'm double checking. 7 squares and 3 squares are 10 squares. 6 squares and blank squares are 10 squares. 6 squares and 4 squares are 10 squares. 8 squares and blank squares are 10 squares. 8 squares and 2 squares are 10 squares. 10 squares less 3 squares are 7 squares. 10 squares less 6 squares are 4 squares. 10 squares less 8 squares are 2 squares. 5 times 2 squares are blank squares. 5 times 2 squares are 10 squares. It's getting late. It's getting really late. 1/2 of 10 squares is 5 squares. Does that say 1/5? Let's see. That's 1/2. I think it says 1/5. 1/5 of 10 squares? What is 1/5 of 10? I don't know what 1/5 of 10 is. Is it 5? Wait, 1/5 of... If I got 10 fingers, and I need to figure out what 1/5 of it is, I think it's only 5. But I thought that's a half. Or is it 2? Because there's 2 groups of 5. Hold on. We got 10. No. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 5 sets of 2 in 10. So 1/5 of 10 would be 2. Because there are 5 sets of 2 in 10. Is that right? I think it's 2. Okay, next problem. That was a hard one. 2 squares in 10 squares time. Wait. 2 squares in 10 squares blank times. 2 squares in 10 squares 5 times. 5 squares in 10 squares 2 times. 3 squares in 10 squares. Good question. 3 squares. 3 squares in 10 squares are 3 squares and 10 squares are 10. No. 3 squares and I can't think on it. 3 squares and 9 square 10 squares are 3 times. And then there's 1/10 left over. And then the last one is a problem, like a division problem. 10 divided by 3 is 10 divided by 3 is 3 with 1/10 left over. And that concludes that section. My eyeballs are getting wonky. Yeah. I think I'm gonna wait to do this section because that's a big section. Yeah. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait on that. So if you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.